Okay, so which one is yours and which one is Era?
This one is mine and this one is Era.
Right side is Era, or right
Right
side is
side, right side is Era.
Era, and left side is yours. Well, there are differences. There are differences. Both are at
Yes.
the same level, right? Would you remember?
Sir?
Are they both at the same level?
Yes, sir.
What level? 850?
Yes, sir. 850.
So there are differences in the pattern between yours and theirs. Here there is a very strong. You could have also, maybe you can also shade the diagram so that you are just doing all by default, but you can choose your own contour intervals, color levels, so that it will look a nice plot. And also multiply by a factor so that it will be have a decent magnitude. We all superimposed. Actually, uh, there are so many ways to make your plots attractive. For example, this is a shading, right?
Yes.
Now on this, you can't see the contour. So, and I saw that your contour color was also something yellowish. So you change your contour color first of all. Change the contour color to black. And then draw the contour on this.
On.
Contour color, do you know how to change the contour color?
I don't remember.
So you have to find out how to change the contour color so that on this yellow background, yellow green background, your contour will be very prominently seen. Otherwise, your contour color is also same as that color, so they are hardly visible contours. So basically, you can also sit on your bar, C bar, and you can also so display the C bar and in both the cases. So, well, just hidden behind. I can't see the color bar. Is it hidden behind some other thing? Oh, okay. So, well, actually, you have to see beautify your plot. You can make your plot look beautiful by so many ways. One, I said that you draw the contour by changing the contour color. And also, you change magnitude by multiplying by some factor and all that. Also, in this, it is just selecting the default color from lowest to highest. You can set the colors also that for this contour range, this should be the color. For this contour range, this should be the color. No, you know how to do that, all of these, right? Uh, C labs and all that is, I think, that's command called C labs,
Yes.
in which you can define the contour levels and the color. So you can force the shading same color in both the maps for the same range of values. And then you can exactly compare how they look like. Okay. So
Yes.
those things you can also do by writing a grad script so that every time you don't have to write all this type of those setting, selecting the contour color. So every time you don't have time, just you know how to use the grad script, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so write a grad script in which you define everything, contour color and the shading range, like from this level to that level, this color from this value to that value, this color like that. So both the things you make it identical. Then you plot. Then only you can compare it properly. Otherwise, इसमें तो कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि and overall we can see how much is the difference, which is obviously seen that is not exactly the same, but still that will look much better to do that way.
Sir,
So
without initializing the first level to 0, I'm getting a closer, more similar plot.
without initializing means
Without giving, in the first level, it is not 0.
hmm,
Then, so this here and here, I'm getting a similar
but,
plot.
but how much you are giving the value at the first level?
For, for aside,
if you don't initialize, it will expect some value at the lowest level, and it will take some unwanted values, absurd values. So you have to specify some value, maybe 0.1. Rather than saying 0, you can specify a minimum value, say 0.1 millibar per second. If you want, you can do that way. Assuming that because 1000 millibar is not the surface, and knowing that 1000 millibar is not the surface, and assuming that the vertical velocity at 1000 millibar is say 0.1, though it will not be correct because again, at least you are making 0.1 everywhere in the domain, which will not be correct. Or somewhere it may be plus, somewhere it will be minus. But if you specify some value, then there are many ways to do the numerical experimentation. That is the beauty of numerical methods or numerical models. You can do so many things. For instance, because now you know that your unit is same as that of ERA, right? So you can take the value of omega at 1000 millibar exactly same as that of the ERA. That means from that file, you read the value of omega at 1000 millibar and substitute that value here in your computation at 1000 millibar.
Okay.
What's the point?
Yes, sir.
And similarly at 100 millibar also, you read the value from ERA and substitute that into your computation, so that your boundary condition will be exactly same as the ERA boundary condition. Value of ERA at 1000 and 100, right? And in between the layers, this 900, 800, 850, etc., you compute the value of that. So definitely, and your computation should be almost exactly same as the ERA. Although still there will be difference because you are computing the vertical velocity based on the kinematic method, right? Kinematic technique, by just integrating the divergence. But I'm not sure which method the ERA has used. Maybe because in the model also you can diagnose the vertical velocity. Right? Maybe they have used omega equation. They are solving the omega equation. So they will be slightly different. Right? But by and large, it's similar. You get the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are all numerical experimentation you can do for yourself. The easiest way, because now we have discussed that 1000 millibar omega, we are forcing to 0 because we don't know what is that 1000 millibar. And since you have the ERA data, and you know that the lowest boundary in ERA data is not 1000, so they will have some value at 1000. So take that value of 1000 millibar vertical velocity from the ERA data, substitute that in your computation. That means you have to manipulate things yourself. And similarly, same thing at 100 millibar top of the boundary. And after that, you compute for the rest of the layers in between. Then it will be very close, your computation of vertical velocity will be very close to that of the ERA. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I hope you can do that in your today we have 1 hour time. I'll give you a break today. I'll first of all ask others also to do the progress. And after that we will have a break in which you can do the computation, and then again we'll meet. So let me first talk to other students also. Gitesh, are you there? Gitesh, can you hear me? Well, I don't know whether he has gone, disappeared. Rahul, are you there? Rahul?
Yes, sir.
What is your status? Any progress?
Sir, I compared the divergence and vorticity with that NC file which I downloaded from ERA Interim. Then I could see a slight difference, like the plot wasn't exact.
Which one? Divergence vorticity or vertical velocity?
Divergence and vorticity, sir.
So divergence itself was different.
Yes, sir. And now I'm trying to compute the vertical velocity. I haven't done it till now, sir.
So karo, like first of all, your divergence vorticity should match with the ERA. नहीं तो इसका मतलब कहीं पे तुमको गलती हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
कहीं पे कंप्यूटर में गलती कर रहे हो. So first of all, you try to match because your vertical velocity is computed based on the divergence, And if the divergence itself is not correct, then obviously vertical velocity will be wrong, right? And have you matched your wind vectors? Which call the cyclone का कैसे है तुम्हारा?
Yes, sir, I've matched the wind vectors.
हाँ? Which cyclone
Hello?
you are doing?
Vayu, sir.
वायु. तो तुमने wind vector को पहले देखा था कि are you getting the cyclonic circulation?
Yes, sir, I was getting the cyclonic circulation just like the NC file, sir.
Okay. So that part, up to that part is okay. After that divergence velocity तुम्हारा match नहीं कर रहा है. That means वहाँ पे computation में कुछ problem है. That should match with that of the era. और उसके बाद then you should compute the vertical velocity. Right? And at the end of the practical classes, I will expect that all of you should submit in a nice report all that exercises which I have asked you to do, like computation of the starting from the wind vectors, the program. You don't have to put the data in the report. Program, you can definitely put your Fortran code that you have used to extract and read the text file from the era, convert it to the graphs format, compute the divergence velocity, compute the vertical velocity. All those programs you can put into your report. Okay, and now all the diagrams that you have got, all the CTL files that you have made, all those things you put into a nice report format. Okay. At the end of all the NWP practical exercise, then only it is meaningful, right? So, are you all listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you must do that. Okay, that will also carry weightage because practical. Still, I don't know how to take the practical examination. Right? Your CIA2 will be taken as soon as we get the instruction from the university. You will conduct your CIA2. The practical part still I don't know. So your report will be your practical examination. Okay. And all of you, because I know all of you have different cases of cyclone, right? Same cyclone is not to everybody. Otherwise, there was a chance of copying from others. The cyclone for everybody is different, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So everybody's cyclone is different. So everybody, as I said, now just like you have submitted your practical report in your BSc. Now, when you are doing BSc, you must have submitted your practicals in a nice report format, right? File. Did you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, you have a NWP practical report for each one of you, and in that report, you will very nicely, you will write in a nice organized way, contains computation of wind vectors, extracting wind vectors from the era data. You write nice background of what you have done. Okay, that how did you get the basic data of U and B field that you will write now introduction, which resolution you have considered of the era. So those things you will write in a nice content introduction, how you got the data, and computation, the wind factors, and computation of the divergence velocity, computation of the vertical velocity, and all the other exercises we shall do subsequently in this semester. Clear? So all of you will submit a report at the end of this course before your final examination in the form of a report. Okay. So I will come to know that who has done how much, and it will be easy for me to evaluate also. Okay, give a scores to you. All right. So Rahul, you have to correct whatever is the mistake and then compute your divergence velocity first properly, and then compute the vertical velocity. All right. Gitesh, तुम उस टाइम में नहीं थे क्या? Now are you hearing me? Gitesh, or you have a problem with your mic? Because I saw your message. Do you have an audio problem? Yes, sir, my mic issue. So you can't, but tell me what is your status? You can write in the chat box. I was there at the time also. So what is the status of your work? You can write in the chat box. Have you done? How much you have done? Where are you stuck? डाइवर्जेंस एंड वर्टिसिटी क्या कंप्लीट कर लिया? सही है कि गलत है? अगर सही है तो शेयर करके बताओ. Share the screen and show us. Yeah, no sir, no, I'm still doing it. So jaldi se isko karo because you have to do other exercise also. Okay, today I thought to discuss the new topic of computation of this stream function. Okay, but unless you complete the previous exercise, how will you proceed? So do it quickly. Okay, Hitesh. Then Asma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is your status?
So I have done divergence and vorticity and compared it with that NC file, and it's coming out correct. So yesterday only I plotted that vertical velocity.
Okay. So how it's coming?
Yes.
It's coming.
So I haven't compared it still, but I have plotted it.
So divergence velocity you have compared, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen slots?
Yes, sir. Is it coming, sir?
Yeah, it's coming in the way.
So what should I show? The divergence and vorticity or the vertical velocity?
Divergence from the two. Your error NC file and one.
Okay, sir. So I have saved the plots. I can show you that.
Huh.
So this is my vorticity which I plotted using the CTL file that I made.
Okay.
And the real vorticity is here.
Side by side रखो दोनों को.
Wait, sir. This is not the right plot. Wait, sir.
गलत है.
So I haven't saved it. I'll just plot it right now. War.
Okay, so color combination is not the same. And that's why it's looking different, but I can see.
So the color, yes, sir. We can set the color combination, sir, in grads only.
So always you should set the same color combination when you are comparing the two things, right?
Okay, sir.
And I can see your order is okay. So fine. So this is divergence or vorticity? क्या है ये?
Vorticity. So vorticity at 850 HPA.
Okay.
Yes.
So similarly, you have checked the divergence also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine. So now you show me your vertical velocity.
Okay, sir.
तुम्हारा लगता है साइक्लोन कौन सा था वो एक नानोमा वाला साइक्लोन?
Silent, sir.
साइलेंट था. अच्छा वो ऐसा का प्रॉब्लम.
Sir, this is the plot.
Vertical velocity.
Vertical velocity, yes, sir. At 850.
So 850 velocity, maybe तुम कौन से डेट का ले रहे हो? When was the center of the cyclone?
10th October, sir.
And where was
2015.
where was
2018, sir. Sorry.
where was the position of cyclone?
Yes, sir.
Where was the cyclone center on that day?
Sir, here.
Sure.
Yes, sir. In that divergence in vorticity, it was here only.
Can you just side by side show either the wind circulation, wind vectors on that day?
Wind vector, sir. Okay, sir.
Just show side by side wind vectors for that day. सेव करके रखा है कि नहीं रखा है? हाँ रखा तो है, ठीक है. So this is 10th of October. At what time?
So I have taken only single time step. That is 00.
Okay. So your cyclone is looking nice, and I can see that you have something, but yellow is more like a positive value, right? And then
Yes, sir.
green values. तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि cyclone के center
Yes.
में you have got positive, and surrounding area you have got
Negative, sir.
value. Okay.
Little bit, yes.
I of the cyclone, anything can happen. It's a big calm thing, but surrounding area you have got negative, which is supposed to be upward motion. So logically it sounds okay.
Yes, sir.
Logically it sounds okay. All right. So you have done that. So can you also draw a profile?
Yes, I have done it. So, but I don't know the lat lon exactly of the eye. So, by approximation, I drew it. Today, I will check the lat lon of the eye.
Tomorrow mostly positive.
Exact lat lon of that.
Mostly all values are positive. And that's because at the center I saw positive values. Lot. All these are positive, isn't it?
So, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very positive.
All are positive.
And because your center of the cyclone, the vertical velocity was positive. But this is
Yes, sir.
magnitude because you change the unit, like instead of hectopascal, you make it pascal. Right? And
So, hectopascal.
So to change the unit, you get to 0.000, values of that, and you have a nice magnitude. And you know that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
And you know the factor by which you have multiplied. So you can always write in the text when you're describing the diagram in your report.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
You can always write this in the report. With a nice leveling of the figure, vision of the figure. Yes, you can report बनाते हो, इसलिए you have to make a practical report.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vertical velocity and below that write the vision of the plot क्या है, unit क्या है, इसका all that. So that will all count.
Yes, sir.
It will all count in your practical. Okay. So this is
Okay, sir.
this is compulsory to all of you. All of you must submit your practical report. Okay. Containing all the exercises that you do in the class. Okay. So ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Asma के बाद who is the next in line is Shweta. Okay, Shweta, can you tell us? What is the plan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell us what is
Sir, divergence and vorticity I had computed before only. It is matching with the NC plot, but sir, I am having problem in vertical velocity. उसका वैल्यू सर नेगेटिव आना चाहिए, मेरा पॉजिटिव आ रहा है.
हर जगह पॉजिटिव आ रहा है या सेंटर के ऊपर पॉजिटिव?
सर सेंटर में जहाँ नेगेटिव आना चाहिए, मतलब साइक्लोन जहाँ पे है वहाँ नेगेटिव आना चाहिए ना, 850 पे वहाँ पे पॉजिटिव आ रहा है.
अभी आसमा का भी तो पॉजिटिव ही आ रहा था वहाँ.
श्वेता, आई में पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए. आई में, आई इज काम रीजन ना.
Yeah, but then my entire region, cyclone का entire region मेरा नेगेटिव नहीं आ रहा है, पॉजिटिव ही आ रहा है.
शेयर करो फिर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
सर आई में वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए या नेगेटिव आना चाहिए सर? सर का सर आपने कहा था कल कि जैसे वैल्यूज जो है ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है, मतलब वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी अपवर्ड है, तो नेगेटिव आना चाहिए. इट शुड बी नेगेटिव ना सर?
बिकॉज इट इज अ काम रीजन, तो वहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. वहाँ पे
Okay, sir.
sky clear है ना वहाँ पे, वो sky clear है, you will see sunlight.
Sir,
हाँ,
so surroundings should be opposite in comparison to the eye.
surrounding
Okay.
should be about this, yes. तुम्हारे
Okay,
उसमें
sir.
दिखा थोड़ा, so आई
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल आई के अंदर में कुछ हो सकता है कि अनसर्टन इसे कभी इवन नेगेटिव इवन पॉजिटिव आपसे प्लस पॉजिटिव प्लस नेगेटिव तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, but surrounding the eye you should have strong bond vision. Okay, so that you have to.
So sir, in case of eye, सर ये वेरी कर सकता है, मतलब अलग अलग साइक्लोन में और अलग अलग कंडीशन में टी के अकॉर्डिंग वेरी कर सकता है, और साइक्लोन के केस में वेरी कर सकता है, जैसे आशना के साइक्लोन में और मेरे साइक्लोन में डिफरेंट हो सकता है, हरिता के साइक्लोन में डिफरेंट हो सकता है, मतलब आइदर इट्स कमिंग पॉजिटिव और आइदर इट्स कमिंग नेगेटिव
At the center of the eye, yes.
at the center of the cyclone eye, at the eye.
But
Yes, sir.
surrounding the eye, it should be all upward motion, negative value.
Upward motion, it means it should be in negative value, sir.
In the pressure coordinate. Because in your
In
case,
pressure coordinate. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, Sweta, you're saying one thing.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm sharing. Yeah. Sir, this is the velocity plot,
क्या है ये?
and this is
ये what is this? This is which
the
field?
velocity, sir.
Vertical velocity. And your case is cedar, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you're also getting all positive value. Cedar का set वहाँ पे can you display your
Yes, sir.
vector? This is a bar. Which level is this?
One second, sir. 1 second. I am doing it. Sir, do you want me to show it at 850 HPA?
हाँ, उसी लेवल का vertical velocity, उसी लेवल का then vector. Just one thing.
Yes, 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this is
Right.
the
And then
wind
side by
plot.
side, you
And
now display your.
yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, your body different. Anyway, I can see that for you also surrounding the eye, you have got positive value. Yeah.
Yes,
Negative
sir.
values are away.
Sir, my negative value starts at the blue color, but I have all of these colors which are near the eye and eye wall, all are positive.
So अब क्या करो, जैसे मैंने बताया कि everything should be in your control. Like define the color or the contours, range, shading, right? And so that it will be identical.
Sir, the color, yes, sir, the color is definitely in our control, but the point is, जहाँ मेरा cyclone है, वहाँ जो color फिलहाल positive दिखा रहा है, वही सब color है. I mean, negative is, for me, blue is negative. Zero के this side blue है पूरा, but I'm not getting negative values, sir.
Negative value is there much far away from your center.
Yes, sir, much far away, but that should not be the case.
So, well, what is the size of the eye?
Sorry, sir, what is the?
Size of the eye. How wide? What is the diameter of the eye?
Sir,
I am not just about-
will have to check.
So-
Yes, sir. Yeah, I don't remember the diameter. I will have to check that.
Diameter will vary, right? Eye's diameter will vary. It can be 100,
Yes, sir.
100 kilometers. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so make a nice plot with everything as set by you, right? Color combination, contour value, contour color, everything you set yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so that for comparison also with the ERA data, you can compare one to one, right?
Yes, sir. I have downloaded the ERA data. It's very different. It's in the ERA data. It's negative only.
So those things, we'll have to see how different they are. Can you just,
Yes, sir. I'll
okay.
I'll show you my ERA data, sir. One
Yeah.
second.
I also need to see because everybody's program code may be different. So how everybody has done, I don't know.
Shweta, you didn't give SD.
Shweta, first open the file first.
Okay, I didn't open the file. Oh, sorry. Sir, this is the thing. All are negative.
This is
And
error, right?
1 second, sir. This should be the plot. All are negative here.
And okay, so there is much difference between ERA and your computation in your case. So you'll have to see the program ki kaisa kya hai tumne, because I don't know how is your computation. Secondly, as I told to Aditashri that you take the boundary condition, because now you know that both of them are in the same unit Pascal per second or hectopascal per second. So and also we know that 1000 millibar and 100 millibar are not boundary, pixel boundary as in the ERA.
So, sir, we have to first again we have to retrieve these data in an Excel file and take for the entire domain the data.
No. I mean,
Sorry, sir, I didn't hear you.
no. The thing is to get the values of the vertical velocity from the ERA data at the boundary to make the boundary values same. Well, you have to extract the vertical velocity at 1000 and 100 millibar from ERA. Okay, then only you will.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying. The NC file which we already have, it has for 1000 also, for 100 also. So we have to extract the data for the entire domain. So we'll need 2 more files to read the data from there again, 47 cross 47 or whatever the domain is.
Yeah, well, to make it identical, the boundary value is identical, 1000 and
Sweta,
Sanish.
Sweta, can you just share your screen for showing your divergence program, divergence and verticity program?
Program. Yeah. 1 second.
थोड़ा सा राइट साइड को मूव कर देना.
Is it visible, sir? Is it visible, sir?
No, not yet. हाँ, visible. थोड़ा सा राइट साइड को मूव कर दो, because लेफ्ट साइड इज in my case हाँ. So this is the program for what, divergence?
Yes, sir. There are 9 loops. So as you will tell me, I'll scroll down.
So yours is 46 by 46 points.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारा तो resolution ज़्यादा था ना, 0.7.
47 into 47, sir.
तुम्हारा किसका डोमेन का साइज छोटा है क्या?
नहीं सर, सॉरी सर, आई डिडंट गेट यू. मेरा है 5 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 40 डिग्री नॉर्थ, 60 डिग्री ईस्ट टू 100 डिग्री ईस्ट और 0.75 रेजोल्यूशन में है, तो इट्स 47 क्रॉस 47 सर.
Okay, and how many points you had, Anis? You had 1 degree resolution, right?
Yes, sir. Sweta, go down.
Yes.
सर कुछ चेक करना था, वो देख लिया मैंने सर.
Are you done,
Yeah.
Anish? I mean, can I?
What is it?
You wanted to check if I did separately for the four vortices, right?
सर
चार corner का देखना था ना तुझे?
हाँ एक्चुअली उसमें क्या था ना कि सर जो बाउंड्री पॉइंट्स कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स है ना, कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स पे हम लोगों को कुछ कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स के लिए अलग से वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ी, और कुछ कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स के लिए हमने मतलब लूप में ही कंप्लीट कर दिया उसको. मतलब उसके लिए हमें डू लूप उस तरीके से कंसीडर करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, जैसे आई इज इक्वल टू दिस टू दिस.
कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स लूप से कॉर्नर पॉइंट कोई भी जनरलाइज्ड बाउंड्री से नहीं कैलकुलेट हो रहा है, बिकॉज ऑल द
नहीं,
फोर
नहीं,
कॉर्नर
नहीं.
पॉइंट्स हैव अ डिस्क्रीट अलग अलग आई के लिए अलग, जैसे आई इक्वल टू 1 के लिए जे का दो अलग बाउंड्री पॉइंट में अलग अलग हो रहा है, फिर 47 के लिए तो चार बाउंड्री पॉइंट्स का कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट है कोड,
तो
इन जनरल कोड से
तो
नहीं आ रहा है.
तो तुम्हारा जो है प्रोग्राम उसमें चारों बाउंड्रीज चारों कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स के लिए अलग अलग प्रोग्राम लिखा है.
हाँ अलग अलग है, मतलब मेरा टोटल 9 सेट्स है, एक इन बिटवीन सारे सेंट्रल पॉइंट्स के लिए जिसमें दोनों सेंट्रल डिफरेंस चल रहे हैं, फिर चार बाउंड्री लाइंस के लिए एक्सक्लूडिंग द 4 वर्टिसेस, और 4 वर्टिसेस के लिए अलग अलग 4, सो टोटल 9 डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स है मेरा.
नहीं, अगर हम लोग सपोज नॉर्थ वेस्ट बाउंड्री लेते हैं, तो नॉर्थ वेस्ट बाउंड्री में अगर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अगर फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंसिंग, तो हमने उसमें सबसे पहले हमने लेफ्ट मोस्ट का जो नॉर्थ बाउंड्री का कॉर्नर पॉइंट है उसको कंसीडर कर लिया ना.
नहीं किया, मैंने नहीं
उसको
किया, मैंने नहीं किया ना, मैंने 2 से काउंट करना, मैंने 2 से 46 अलग किया है, 1 अलग किया है, 47 अलग किया है, वरना तो रिपीटेटिव वैल्यूज आ जाएंगे.
So I have a doubt in that.
Mhm.
So, there are points like 1, 47 and 47, 1. So there we are not using pure forward differencing or pure backward differencing. We had to mix it both. So how will it affect the error accuracy?
No. 47, what is that you're saying? At the corner? I didn't get it.
So we have 4 corner points. If the domain is 47 by 47, we have 4 corner points. One will be 1, 1 and 47, 47. So that we can do either forward and the other one can be done in backward. But in 47, 1 and 1, 47, we had to mix both of it because
Yeah, that's true. Because now when you are moving now away from the corner point, suppose you are moving towards right from the lowest, left lowest corner. Then after the first point and the second point, you can do the second difference in the x direction, but you still have to do the forward in the y direction. Right? That will be different. Whereas at the cornermost point, you have to always take the forward or backward, depending on where you are calculating. You're getting the point what I'm saying?
yes, sir.
Exactly. So that's how you have to do.
So the thing is like in 47, 1, if I'm taking the corner 47, 1, then in I direction I'll have to do I'll have to do the backward, and since it is 1, I'll have to do. So how will it affect the accuracy, sir? Because we are mixing it.
You have to mix up because exactly at the corners you cannot do the central. Right? Exactly at the corners. So depending upon where are you, suppose you are at the western boundary, western point, lower left corner. So in that case, no, you have to do the forward difference in both directions, whether you are going towards the east or you are going towards north. But in the easternmost point of the lower right corner, you have to do the backward difference for the x in the x direction, but forward difference in the y direction. Right? So that is the thing. Okay. Is that clear all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ठीक है, Swata, you have compared with the error divergence and
Yes,
are they
sir.
matching or they are not matching? Error divergence.
Yes, sir. Divergence and vorticity are matching, sir.
But vertical velocity was one hand. Well,
Then
vertical
Shweta,
velocity,
I think
Vertical velocity.
you took
Yes,
Delphi.
yes, Harita.
Yeah, you took Delphi, no? Why don't you put it in reverse and check?
Yeah,
I think I think magnitude is
I-
only your sign is different.
I didn't get you.
you have multiplied del P, right?
I didn't get you, Harita.
In your program.
Yeah, I multiplied del P. Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes.
So you can change the sign of the difference. I think you'll get, because your magnitudes are fine. Only your sign is changing, right?
Okay, I'll try that, Harita. Okay, I'll try that, and I'll check the vertical profile for both the cases with the error data, and I'll let you know.
Although
Thank
it
you.
matter, between positive and negative, everything will matter. If you are multiplied by minus delta P, obviously your thing will become minus, right?
So if her divergence isn't fine, then I think it should be fine.
Exactly, it will be fine. So depends on how, what kind of discretization you have used in the vertical, right? It will depend upon that. So in generally, the convention is that when you are doing the discretization in the vertical, it is always upper level minus lower level. You know that? When you are discretizing, say, del omega by del P, then it should be always upper level minus lower level. And in case of upper level,
Yes.
upper level will be lower pressure and lower level will be higher pressure. So delta will become negative,
Yes.
right? So that's what the difference is. I think that is the reason why you are getting opposite sign, Shweta. So that's why I said I need to see your program and how,
Yes, sir. I'm changing it.
and the entire thing will change accordingly. All right.
Yes, sir. I'm changing. I'll come back with that, sir.
Okay. So next I want to talk to Avni. Avni, are you there? Avni, are you there? She was there, but she not seen now. Yeah, she has joined. Avni, are you there? Can you hear me? Avni, are you able to hear me? Your mic is mute.
Hello.
Yeah, Avni, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is your progress?
Sir, I did up to divergence and vorticity, and I didn't compare the data with the NC file, so I'll do that.
तो उसको कंपेयर करो एंड जैसे मैंने सबको बताया है कि आप नाउ सबमिट इन फॉर्म ऑफ रिपोर्ट ओके एक्सरसाइज नंबर
Okay, sir.
exercise number 2 and number 3 etc with nicely written description of each diagram. The Fortran code should be also attached in your report, both Fortran code as well as CTL file, right? So nicely you have to make a report और जल्दी से करो, then only you will proceed forward. I haven't proceed. Then
Okay,
I
sir.
talk to Vibhuti. Vibhuti, can you hear me? Vibhuti,
Yes, sir.
yeah, what is your progress?
सर ट्राइंग द डाइवर्जेंस एंड वर्टिसिटी
अभी तक क्या नहीं है?
सर किया हूँ पर बहुत सारा दिक्कत आ रहा है, तो दूसरों का सर हेल्प ले रहा हूँ. इस वीकेंड तक हो जाएगा.
जल्दी करो, वीकेंड तो बहुत लंबा है, अभी दूर है.
जी सर मैं
हाँ,
कर दूंगा.
so you need to do it quickly because unless you complete the divergence, you cannot complete the vertical velocity, right?
यस सर.
Okay. Then I talk to Shivam. Are you there? Shivam?
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah. So what is your progress?
सर डाइवर्जेंस और वर्टिसिटी तो हो रहा है, पर वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी का नहीं हो पा रहा.
Divergence velocity हमको दिखाओ. Can you show us your divergence velocity?
Yes sir.
Share your screen of the divergence. Have you compared that with the error?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, so show both the plots, error plot of divergence and your plot of the divergence.
Sir, it is similar. It is similar, sir. Slightly difference coming, but it is most of the case it is similar.
That's what is expected. And is your magnitude okay? Order is same. Your maximum minimum value में कुछ
Yes sir, yes sir. I am getting in minus, sir.
कितना?
Sir, I'm
What is the order of the magnitude?
sir, 10 to the minus 5, sir.
Okay. So both minimum and maximum value of divergence is
Yes sir. Both minimum and maximum.
Now can you show us your plot?
Yes sir. Sir, it is visible?
Yeah, screen is visible. Which case is yours?
So 1999 super cyclone, Odisha.
Odisha super cyclone. Okay.
Yes, sir. So this is for the divergence. So all the values are negative, and
show me the error plot. एक side by side दिखाओ ना.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. So this is my vorticity.
Okay.
So now
C bar n. Okay, C bar n is vorticity is positive. Okay, at the center. ठीक है.
sir, I'm opening the ERA data. Yes, sir.
Side by side रखो हाँ.
Yes, sir. The right one is ERA data, and the left one is my creating data.
This is at 850 millibar, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Almost identical.
Yes, sir. Sir, but the position of the cyclone, sir, this part and this one, this is different, sir.
Time same है, date and time are same or not?
Sir, date and time are both same, sir.
तो position same होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying, sir. Sir, everything is similar, but the position of cyclone is little bit different, sir.
हाँ, position is different. Yes, yes. और मुझे तो लग रहा है कि तुम्हारा अलग-अलग date का है ये. Time date is different.
Sir, I think
What you are plotting from NC file is of a different date and time, and what you are calculating yourself is of different date and time. तो ये एकदम इतना ज़्यादा difference हो गया, move कर गया है.
yes, sir.
Yes. So your date and times are different.
Okay, sir. I will check, sir.
Check that. Okay.
Okay.
Right. ठीक है. So now what about the vertical velocity? What is the status of vertical velocity?
सर वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी सर प्रोग्राम लिखने की ट्राई किया पर एग्जीक्यूट जब किया तो हुआ नहीं सर.
So there is an error somewhere in the program.
Yes.
Okay, so try to correct that error. All right.
Okay, sir. I'll try.
ठीक है. So next is Tasty हो गया, Asna हो गया, Gidesh हो गया, Sayoni. Can you show Sayoni? Are you here? Hearing? Sayoni, are you there? Yes. So are you able to speak? Your mic is mute. Is your audio working properly? My voice is choked. Oh, your voice is choked. Are you okay now? You were having some fever. You said something. I cannot speak. Oh, I see. I see. So, all right. So, just write down whether you have been able to compute. You sent me an email, I think yesterday. I'm not able to open. I've not been able to open the mails yet. But I think you sent me some result. I was okay, but got fever again. Oh, I see. So, you should be very, very careful. Okay. So, Calcutta still must be raining. Maybe raining in Calcutta. I don't know. So, in that case, you first of all get well. Yeah, you mailed me some result. I've not opened your file yet. Okay. You will show it now? Or you want to show it now? Want to share it now? You can share. Okay, good. Share. Share the file. So this is, which field is this? Is this divergence? Divergence. So 850 millibar. And Have you compared with the ERA divergence? Just display both of them side by side. ERA divergence from the NC file and your divergence from the computation. The grads named in ERA file. Okay. So this is plot of divergence. Okay, this is, I think, your plot, the one which you have computed, and this may be the ERA plot. Is it? Which one is yours? This is our right side is probably your plot, and left side is which one? So, one is, first of all, you have to clarify that whether right side is the one which you have computed. You, right one is yours, okay, and the left one is the NC file, right? They are not exactly same; they are different. That one is the NC file. They are not identical. Right side is yours, and left side. This is yours. Yeah, displayed. Okay. So this is the ERA, and they are not identical. So I don't know whether your date and times are same for the both, and whether your magnitude orders seem to be okay, but whether your boundary calculations are okay or not. This have to be ensured. So I got time for just 1 minute. I'm getting a phone call. Sorry. So, okay, I think you're doing okay, but I saw that the position was not the same between ERA and NC file. Okay, I think okay, you're able to hear me, all of you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it seems you are doing okay, Sayoni, but you have to ensure
Sir,
that
sir, I changed my code like Harita said. Now it's coming negative, sir.
okay, yeah. So I got the vertical differencing you have to take.
Yes, no, sir. Now I'll just put the boundary condition and I'll check. Thank you, Harita.
Thank you very much. Right.
No problem.
So who is next in the screen? I have got how many people? Those are 5, 9 people are here. I think individually I have talked to all of you. Shivam, Prabhuti, Avani, Anish, and Harita Sri, Asana, Gitesh, and Sayoni. So all of you I have talked individually. Nazmeen is not seen. Avi said Gitesh, is out probably now, not seen. But anyway, for Gitesh is seen, yeah. I've talked to you also. So only I think Nazmeen and only one more person is missing. So all of you complete your exercise up to vertical velocity, and as I said, start writing in the form of report, a nice report with introduction, one paragraph introduction, your case, and then how you have extracted the values, okay, from the NC file to the text file, and read the text file, converted into the grads file, plotted the wind vectors, right, and after that you computed the divergence, show the plot of divergence, both comparison with ERA as well as yours. So everywhere you will put the ERA file for comparison. Like when you are reading the text file and plotting the wind vector, then the wind vector that you have got and the wind vector from the ERA file directly by reading the NC file. So side by side, you will put that also for comparison, right, in the report, and you will also put your Fortran code as well as CTL file in the report. Okay, so that will be your chapter 1 or exercise 1. Same thing for the exercise 2, divergence and vorticity. How you have computed your Fortran code and your CTL file and the comparison with the ERA. And same thing for the vertical velocity also, right? Vertical velocity, you can show selected levels. Similar divergence also, you can show selected levels. Only 850 and 200 is okay for divergence velocity. And for all the plots, for your wind vector also, you can just show 850 and 200 millibar wind vectors. Divergence velocity also 850 to 200 millibar. Then vertical velocity also 850 to 200 millibar. And then a separate plot for the vertical profile of the vertical velocity. Right? That also you will show. And after that, the next exercise which I wanted you to do is still a little about 120. So we can still talk for another 10-15 minutes. Next exercise I wanted you to do is the computation of Laplacian, right? Or computation of rather stream function, because to compute the stream function, you have to invert the Laplacian, right? And that also you have to learn how to write a program to invert the Laplacian or compute the Laplacian. Okay, I could have shown you the PowerPoint a little bit, but today for now I'll just talk to you. You know how you do that. For instance, you have the vorticity field computed already, right? All of you have computed the vorticity field, right? And you know that vorticity zeta is equal to del square of psi. You remember that? We have discussed in that.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Del square psi is equal to the vorticity, relative vorticity, right? So if you want to compute the psi, because you have got the vorticity field now, you have computed the vorticity field yourself, right? So if you want to compute the psi, the stream function, you have to invert the Laplacian, right? Psi is equal to the inverse of Laplacian of the vorticity, right? And that's what you need to learn how to do that. Okay. Well, there are standard programs in the ERA data also. I think NC file you find the stream functions will be there, the computer value of a stream function. But how to compute that you should learn. All right. So, I mean, you can find out the method to compute the Laplacian from Google also, or I had given you the book of Professor T.N. Krishnamurthy, workbook. All of you have that, right? The workbook of Professor T.N. Krishnamurthy.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. All of you have, isn't it? Tell me, yes, all of you.
Yes, sir. Sir, WMO, no?
WMO.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have.
So in that book, you will find the computation of the stream function. As a reference, I am saying that you can use that book as a reference. Anyway, you have to write your own program. But how to compute the stream function or how to invert the Laplacian, that you can take the guidance from that WMO's book of Professor T.N. Krishnamurthy. Okay, and try to write a program to compute the stream function and plot the stream function and compare with the ERA NC file. That is your next exercise. Okay, after everybody have computed the vertical velocity correctly, then your next exercise is to compute the stream function based upon the relative vorticity. Okay, that you have computed. So if your relative vorticity is computed correctly, then your stream function will also be right. If you have made mistake in computing the vorticity, then your stream function also will be wrong. Just like the vertical velocity. The vertical velocity is computed from the divergence. So if your divergence computation is wrong, then vertical velocity will be wrong. Similarly, if your vorticity computation is wrong, that means your stream function computation will be wrong. So, and you have matched your vorticity with the ERA file already, I suppose, and you have found it identical. So, assuming that your vorticity fields are correct, I will learn how to compute the Laplacian or invert the Laplacian to compute the stream function. Generally, people examine the stream function at 200 millibar because stream function at 200 millibar is more significant than at any other level. Okay. So you can plot at all levels, of course, but for sake of presentation or evaluation, you can plot the stream function at 200 millibar and compare it with the NC file of the error. Is that clear? That is your next exercise. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any point, any doubt, any question, you can ask me. Everybody is silent, that means everybody is clear. I'll ask one by one. Shivam, is that clear what I told? Did you hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know what is your next exercise? Right? क्या है next exercise?
सर स्ट्रीम फंक्शन कैलकुलेशन करना है.
कैसे करोगे?
सर इनवर्स ऑफ लैप्लासियन सर.
Of which field?
सर वर्टिकल सॉरी रिलेटिव वर्टिसिटी सर.
Relative verticity, correct, yeah. Right, विभूति सुना ठीक से?
यस सर.
सुना क्या कहा शिवम ने?
जी सर.
या क्लियर है कैसे कंप्लीट करना है, क्या करना है?
हाँ यस सर, समझा.
Fine, so that is your next exercise. Avani, did you hear? Avani,
Yes, sir.
yeah, did you hear क्या कहा?
Yes, sir.
क्या बोलो क्या करना है next exercise? What is the next exercise? बोलो.
Sir, can you repeat?
हाँ, इसका मतलब सुना नहीं तुमने ठीक से. What is the next exercise?
Okay, sir, computation of stream function.
कैसे करना है?
In Laplacian use करके inverse of Laplacian.
Of which field?
Relative verticity.
Correct. Yeah. So that is your next exercise. Anis.
यस सर.
Yeah. सुना?
यस सर. यस सर. सर एक डाउट है सर. WMO की बुक से सर आपने बोला कि करने के लिए सर डाइवर्जेंस में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था ना वैल्यूज में, तो मैंने बुक रेफर किया था सर. उसमें कुछ ऐसा लिखा है कि जो समझ में नहीं आता है.
समझ में तो आना चाहिए क्योंकि बुक्स नाउ it is scanned copy and many things are not clear in that scanned copy.
Sir, they've taken the maximum and minimum values and all.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Maximum and minimum values, like for divergence we are calculating divergence in different way, they are calculating in different way. They took maximum and minimum value, and what these maximum and minimum value that we don't know sir.
Yes.
Very what?
So they've
Sir,
taken maximum and minimum values and all.
I'm not clear about what is your doubt, Anis.
So when we had doubt, we referred to that. So
Okay.
now our program is fine. Okay, we got matched it. That is fine. But when we refer to it, we are not able to understand why they have
Yeah.
taken the maximum and
I
minimum.
see. Well, actually, since you have got the correct values, you don't have to worry about that in that case. But every programmer writes things according to his own way and according to his own requirements. So don't worry for that. And I mentioned this book only for reference, saying how to invert the Laplacian. It's only for reference. I said that you can refer to this book, but you don't have to follow that book.
Sir, and also they've not taken separate conditions for corner points or the boundaries and all. So I was thinking, how do they overcome that error?
So, as I said, first of all, the book is not scanned properly, and I don't remember what is.
Sir, if we are going for whole world, if we are calculating for whole world divergence and vorticity, then what are the difference we use, like in forward, if forward, backward, or central?
It will be easier. If it will be global, then it will be easier. Then your boundary problems will, at least horizontal boundary problems will not be there. Yeah. Because in that case, everything is continuous. There is no need to take the backward or forward difference. Everything you can take the central difference. You get the point. You can use cyclic boundary condition. They call it cyclic boundary condition.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There is the word mentioned like a cyclic boundary condition. That's why I asked you, sir. Yes.
The cyclic boundary condition में you can use when your model is global, right? So that I think maybe Krishnamurthy's book might have done like that.
Yeah, maybe so.
Using for the global model, and we are doing for the digital. That will be the difference. Okay. So and
Yes,
as I
sir.
mentioned, the WMO book is only for the reference. You can refer any other book or any other method also, because calculation of the Laplacian is a standard thing and the numerical techniques, and you will find many references for that in the Google or any other book. So, but final thing should be same. Okay. So next person I want to ask is okay, Shweta. Did you hear kya hai exercise?
हेलो
Yeah, Shweta. So सुना क्या?
सर आपकी वॉइस बहुत सर आपकी वॉइस बहुत कट रही है. इट्स मेरा नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है सर. आपका वॉइस बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
मैंने ये पूछा कि नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज क्या करना है वो. Is it clear? What is the next
Hello?
exercise?
सर बेसिक सर आई विल हैव टू
Yeah,
प्रोसेस
yeah.
इट एंड देन आई विल थिंक बट
I'm just
बेसिक
writing
समझ
the
आ गया.
text.
यस सर. यस सर.
It's wrote on the text. Shweta. Are you?
Sir, can you hear me or will I have to reply in the text?
No, I can hear you clearly, very clear.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I got the basic idea. Basic समझ में आ गया, sir. Now, when I'll actually be doing it, then if I encounter any problem, I'll ask you.
Okay, fine. Okay, all right. So, ठीक है. और
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Move to the next person, Asna. Asna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the next exercise? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So we have to compute a stream function,
Based upon?
inverse Laplacian.
Okay. And what is the field that you use? Which field?
So relative vorticity.
Relative. Correct. ठीक है. Very good. Gitesh?
Yes.
Gitesh, are you there? Gitesh, can you hear? Probably your mic was not okay. Audio had problem. So anyway, I think most of you have heard clearly if you are there. Sayoni cannot speak, so I assume that she has also heard correctly. Okay, computation of stream function, inverse of Laplacian of relativity. Very good. So it's clear to you. So your next exercise. Sayoni, I hope that yes. Okay. So you have heard also clearly. So I think all of you have heard clearly, and all of you are present here. There's been not there, but then still can ask on phone or I'll get the message. So, ठीक है. So today is already now 1:33, and we can stop today's class. And expect that in the next class, whether it is next Thursday or even before that, because we do meet on Monday and Tuesdays. So we can discuss further the exercise on those days, and also start writing your practical report. A nice practical report. So also start writing, and that will be your final examination of your NW practical in the form of your report that you have submitted. Okay? Is that okay? So shall we stop today? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. I'm going to stop. Welcome. I'm going to stop the
Thank you, sir.
Stop recording. And today again Asana has got the second part also. First part also you got, right, Asana?